Hi, this is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. When you have just created an Instagram account, it is published by default. Anyone can see your photos, videos, or watch lives. However, the platform cares about their users, so it creates a feature that allows to make an Instagram account private. So how to do it? How to change your Instagram account to private? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. You can go to your profile, Instagram profile. Here's my Instagram profile. You can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down. On the who can see your content section, there is an option account privacy. You can just tap on that. As you can see, the toggle is on active. To activate, to make your Instagram account private, you can just tap on the toggle. You can activate the toggle. When you switch to private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. The one chain can message, tag, or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. And no one can reuse your content. All race posts and stories that previously used your content in feature, such as remix, sequence, templates, or sticker will be deleted. If you switch back to a public account within 24 hours, they will be restored. Now you can just tap on switch to private. And now your Instagram account is private. As you can see on my username, there is a like icon on there. So that is how to make your Instagram account private. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.